Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Esdeath in anime Vanguard. First, let's dive into her unique skills. Esdeath excels at controlling the board and disrupting opponents with her powerful ice abilities. Mastering her timing is crucial for maximizing her impact. We'll cover key card interactions and how to set up devastating combos. Get ready to freeze your competition and dominate every match with strategic plays. Crafting the perfect Esdeath deck involves careful selection. Focus on units that synergize with her freezing effects, allowing you to lock down your opponent's board. Consider cards that offer additional attacks or defensive capabilities to maintain pressure. A good balance of offensive and defensive options will make your deck versatile. Remember, consistency is key for executing your game plan effectively. When playing Esdeath, your goal is to control the tempo of the game. Use her abilities to clear your opponent's field, limiting their attack options. Don't overextend your hand. Save cards for guarding to survive powerful turns. Look for opportunities to push for game-ending damage, especially when your opponent has fewer cards in hand. Strategic use of your triggers can turn the tide in your favor. For advanced Esdeath players, understanding specific matchups is vital. Learn to anticipate your opponent's moves and adjust your strategy on the fly. Efficiently manage your resources, like Soul and Counterblast, to ensure you always have options available. Experiment with different Grade 1 and Grade 2 units to find what works best for your playstyle. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax and dive into new stories, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.